beginning with a deeper breath than you might normally take. Really feeling this breath. And as you're ready, allowing the breath to settle into a more natural, comfortable way. Having arrived in the body more fully, taking a moment now to greet yourself with kindness, just like you might greet a friend. Now, offering yourself a kind word, an inward smile, some expression of warmth, welcoming, and goodwill. This can be an important quality to cultivate, and we can do it intentionally here as we bring this welcoming, listening quality to the sounds around us. Noticing any tendency to grab for sound or to go out hunting for sound. And instead, can we bring a more gentle awareness, allowing sound to come to you? Applying this settled, spacious, welcoming awareness now to the sensations of the body in whatever posture you've chosen. Can you allow the sensation or the experience of the body to come to you? Noticing when the mind wanders. The mind wants to hunt. It wants to look for something. That's its habit. So just very gently, one more time, becoming that welcoming, friendly presence, allowing just for a few more breaths the experience of having a body, allowing those sensations to come to you. And the best you can, bringing this welcoming, friendly presence into the remainder of your day. Thank you for your practice, and take care.